If you are an upcoming content creator and YouTuber like me, suffering with low views and no subscribers, come closer, this video is for you. The thing is, the problem is that we ourselves, we are our own problem. Let me explain. As an upcoming content creator, you want to do a video, you want to title your video, you are doing it as if you are already big. You are giving it title, how to do this in 5 days, how to do this in 7 days. Let me give you an example. If you are someone watching YouTube and you want to grow your content, you want to have like 1,000 or 3,000 subscribers, then you are scrolling along to YouTube and you see a video with written how to get 1,000 subscribers in 7 days. And you click on the profile of the person, the channel of the person, and you see that this person that is writing this thing has only 22 subscribers, like me. I have 22 subscribers. And the person's video is not getting views. You're having 0 view, 10 view, 20 views. And you're still scrolling. And YouTube also recommends another video for you that the owner of the video is having 100k subscriber. You tell me, which of these videos are you going to click? Drop your answer in the comment section. I beg you, even me myself, I will click that person that has 100k subscribers because I believe that person knows what he's talking about because he has already done this and he has the result to show for it. But for us, upcoming content creator, we shouldn't title our videos like that. That is totally wrong. You shouldn't title your video like that. You should give your video another title because you yourself, you don't have this particular following. So the title, if I were you, I would give such video. I want to give people tools or tutorials on how to get 1,000 followers in 7 days. I'll rephrase that statement saying, I saw this channel got so amount of followers by following these steps. Join me as we follow these steps together to see if we can also have such followers. So if you rephrase your video like that, YouTube algorithm will not recommend your video alongside those people that has plenty followers like the Mr. Beats them. No, they will recommend your video. Even you yourself, you are seeing that you want to click it to know what the other person did that make the person have such number of followers. So that is it. That is the solution. Please guys, as I'm here, I have only 20 subscribers. So I'm calling you all upcoming content creators like me. Join hands together and collaborate with others. Collaborate with others so that you have those people's audience, add to your own audience. Together, both of you can what, or 3 of you, or a community of the community can grow together and have these followers that you are looking for. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for some and more petite tips about YouTube automation and YouTube in general. Thank you.